Hi.
Hello,
Hi.
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 Hello everyone.
Hi.
Hi.
my name's John Gator.
I'm Helen Geek.
I'm Henry.
I'm Corenza Lewis.
I'm Stuart Ainsworth.
I'm Danny Wotton.
I'm Derek Pittman.
I'm Naomi Supel.
I'm Lawrence Shaw.
I'm Bridget Gallagher.
I'm Jimmy Adcock.
I'm Matt.
And, you guessed right,
Time Team is back.
Time Team is back.
Time Team is back.
Time Team
Is back.
Yes, Time Team is back.
What is it?
It's really so substantial and so fascinating.
My name's Tim Taylor. I'm the creator and series producer of Time Team.
I'm in charge of the geophysics on Time Team.
I'm one of the Time Team archaeologists.
I'm the surveyor and digital mapping person.
And I'm one of the original members of Time Team.
I'm one of the new members to join Time Team.
and I'm part of the Geophys team.
And I'm a metalwork expert, early medieval specialist,
Time Team's landscape archaeologist.
Time Team's resident community archaeologist and find specialist.
Time Team's environmental archaeologist.
I'm one of Time Team's new archaeologists.
and I'm an archaeological conservator.
We've got two amazing sites for you. The first is in Cornwall.
This is a fantastic site.
An Iron Age settlement with underground passages.
A series of underground passages.
Known locally as the Fogou.
And the second site's in Oxfordshire.
A huge
A
and enormous Roman villa.
On the estate of a Tudor castle.
Get yourself a pint, sit back,
Join me to watch the 3-part episode premieres for each dig.
they're exclusively
Available for free worldwide
Available for free worldwide.
on the Time Team official YouTube channel.
For free,
But shh. Keep it under your hat.
With exclusive previews.
after show live events.
And extra insights on Patreon.
And we can promise you, you are in for a real treat.
It's really been good archaeology.
Just absolutely glorious.
Just watching it unfold was just glorious.
absolutely stunning.
you don't want to miss this.
What?
Now, where was I?
I've told you before.
That's right. I need a yellow block, a radar case, and some wheels.
Just get out. Stop following me. No. This is mine. It's rusty. It's not yours.
Cheers.